So here's my son's Dell Mini 10. I'm not sure if this is the 10V or just the regular Mini 10, but I gave it to him a while back, and he really doesn't use it that much, but pretty much everybody and their dog uses it, so they've kind of messed up the power plug and also the headphone jack, so I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix it. It's hard to say, but I'm hoping I can. Well, when it comes to my son's netbook, there's some good news and some bad news. The good news is the power jack is really easy to replace. It's just a matter of unplugging it and plugging a new one in. So I'm going to order one on eBay, but for the time being I'm going to, so you can see, well maybe you can, I'll put her on macro. You can see right there that it's broke, but for the time being, because it's probably going to take a week or more for the part to come, I'm going to actually try to crazy glue this and see if it'll work. Well, I was going to order this part off eBay, but after crazy gluing it, it seems pretty strong, so I'm going to hold off on ordering the part even though it's cheap, and I'm going to just put this in and see how it works. I can always order the part later on, and since it's coming from the US, it's not going to take all that long to get here, so I'll put her back together, and if it breaks then I'll just order the part, because I'm not going to leave the netbook in a gazillion pieces anyway. I'm planning to put it back together today no matter what, so I'll just put this back in, crazy glued up, and hope for the best. So the Dell's all back together. Yep, it's showing that it's charging. Probably can't see that unless I put it on macro, but there it is, it's charging. So that was successful, so hopefully that'll hold, and if that holds out, then I'm not going to bother buying one until the thing breaks again. Anyway, time to go.